Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen. I will introduce myself. My name is Miftakhul Fikri. I am student from 11 Maret University, Surakarta, Indonesia. I say thanks for opportunity to present my research paper in the 6th International Conference on Social and Political Science 2020. The title of this research paper is Communication Network on Twitter, the conversation about the audition of PB Jarum 2019. First author is Miftakhul Fikri, second author Rahmanto, and third author is Introduction. First, the use of social media like Twitter by the Indonesian people increased by 42% in 2019 than in the previous year, from report We Are Social and Hotsuite 2019. Then, the problem of this research was related to the issue of the reports of child exploitation at the audition of PB Jarum 2019. That issue was discussed by many Twitter accounts. It affected many tweets pro and contra about the audition of PB Jarum 2019. The conversation of pro and contra on the audition of PB Jarum 2019 that interest to study the Twitter accounts that they are interacting with each other like a communication network. After we know the problem of this research, our question is how the communication network on Twitter in the conversation about the audition of PB Jarum 2019. Literature review. First, communication network analysis. Communication network analysis has the basic concept. The basic concept like the node and edge, the type of network relations, the network structure, and the flow of communication network. New media. New media is the shift of the first media era to the second media era. The first media era and the second media era has the characteristic of the media. Social media. A social media has been classified such as the collaborative project, the blogs, the content of sharing communities, and the other. Twitter. Twitter is a networking social and microblogging service that allow the user methods. In this research, the method is descriptive. A descriptive is research to describe the social reality of actor and the structure in the network. So, the scope of this research is the limits of Twitter account that focus on the limit of interaction through the tweets about the audition of PB Jarum 2019. The data collection by the programming Python code and the data processing by KP. KP is software can display inside through the image more quickly. It contributes to provide the better ability to explore the network. So after we get the data, we can analyze by complete communication network. Complete communication network have three analysis. Analysis at the level of actor, analysis at the level of group, analysis at the level of network structure. Analysis at the level of actor by actor centrality. Actor centrality such as degree centrality, closeness centrality, between centrality, eigenvector centrality. Analysis at the level of group by click of group in the network. Analysis at the level of network structure. Result and discussion. Figure 1. Figure 1 provides an overview of interaction between the Twitter account in the conversation about the audition of PB Jarum 2019. Figure 1 can be seen in the general description for the Twitter accounts that the Twitter account were illustrated by the points and the interactions were illustrated by the lines. Figure 1 shows the illustrated from the Twitter account that the Twitter account was illustrated by 4678 accounts and 6558 interaction. The Twitter account have the most frequent interact in the network that was represented by the larger point like a larger blue circle, while the Twitter account have rarely interacted in the network that was depicted by the small point. So after we get the network data, we can analyze by actor centrality. Analysis at the level of actor by actor centrality, the result is the name of Twitter account at Lord Rio 82 can be interpreted that the account has high popularity in the net communication network. After we analyze at the level of actor, we can analyze at the level of group. Figure 2 depicts the image that was formed by 10 clicks of group in the communication network on Twitter in the conversation about the audition of PPCL 2019. Figure 2 also can be seen as the on-click of group, like the different colors of group such as pink, green, blue, orange, brown, and other colors. The click of group in the communication network can be interpreted as the actors interact with other actors so that combine in the same development of communication, and they are don't look at the type of differences in a group. After we analyze at the level of group, we can analyze at the level network structure. The measurement of network structure on the Twitter in the conversation about the audition of PPCL 2019 has the result of network value such as the diameter distance value and the density value. The diameter distance value of the network has 1 to 11 steps. The density value of the network in the result is 0. Conclusion. After we get data and the analyze data, we conclude that the image of the communication network was described by the complete network from many account and many interaction. The result from all centrality was found the account at Lord Rio 82 has the highest centrality in the communication network. 10 clicks of group with the on-coloring groups has the same interaction about the audition of PPCL 2019. The network distance has the nearest distance is 1 step and the farthest is 11 steps. The network distance is not solid because the Twitter accounts are not often interacting about the conversation at the audition of PPCL 2019. That's all for my presentation. Thank you everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.